So I will tell one by one what is the purpose of this. Is NA will check is there is any value missing frequency there. So it will check one by one. And if you get some of that, it will tell you 0. 0 means there is no missing data. You can check it in SPSS, no problem with that. Come to that. From this, name the data. Total 7 items are there. That's great. So first point here is, I will go for checking the unidimensionality. So name of this command is fa.parallel. fa.parallel could not find because this is available in the Psyche package. These are packages. So first one is fa.parallel, and this is a chart. Just see here. Dr. Pooja asked this question. Pooja Goel. Parallel analysis suggests number of factor and number of component. Both are one. Perfectly no. Okay. Number of component means this is the when you work on the PCA, this will be the thing, and PAF it is the thing. It should be one because now it's a very clean data and only one construct is there, so that's perfectly okay. But when you work like Pooja ma'am asks that what if there are many items are there, 20 items are there, 30 items are there, it will tell you number of factors are 5. Then you need to work on those 5 factors. How you will work on that? Then the second command is FA for factor analysis. FA is the command in R for the principal axis factoring. FA is the command for this. PCA is the command for running the principal component analysis. FA is the command for PAF. Now, since it is one, this command is redundant, no required. But had it been like many such items are there, 20 items are there, it will tell you number of factors are 5 or something. I will show you one data set for that, where I will work on the how to identify which factors are there. So I am leaving this thing because this is not required as of now. Only one factor is there. If there is more than one factor, then we need to work on this command. Second thing, number of factor means as given by PAF, and component means as given by the PCA. It will show you both the results here. We can skip this part and we can go ahead with something called item stats. Now this is a item stats worked on the data. This is an important one. Let's see one by one. Total number of items are 20. Mean total score 14.5 means if I take the mean of all of them, get the total is equal to average of all of these. Sum is 24.5. It is 24. Couldn't see. Is that standard? Average R alpha is 0.814. You could have computed it in SPSS also. Can be computed here also 0.814. Total number of items are people are 20. Tot K means the number of item, it is 4. This is the mean. We have computed mean here, mean and the standard deviation. The same are given here. What we can compute from here? Item number 3, which got the 2.25, seems to be the easiest item, followed by item number 7, item number 5. And on the other hand, item number 1 seems to be the toughest one, where very less number of people actually agree to this statement. Total R is 0.611. What is 0.611? Total R, this is the item to total correlation. Item around 0.6 should be the value. S2 seems little low value. If removed, then this will be the value. And alpha if removed, this SPSS also gives us. So what are the 2-3 considerations? Number 1, alpha is good. Number 2, from the mean, we can compute who are the very difficult or toughest item. Number 3, item to total correlation should be around 0.6 or more. One item shows slightly less. The second thing is proportion. Almost all of them are proportionately divided. Where comes 40%, 40%? Because I computed it in terms of 8, this. If you divide every item by 20, 40%, 40%, this is 15%, 5%. 1 NA S5 shows me there is some problem here. There will be some problem in this because there is a NA. There was not even a single person who replied on this particular anchor point for this item. Okay, this is something we will take care of. We can also see item difficulty. Item difficulty is available in the performance package. and name of that is, I should copy it. Maybe earlier I made with the DF1. Item difficulty. So it means it has computed the difficulty. And if you can see, higher the score, let's read the item difficulty. What it says. Okay. This is the difficulty of the question item. Mind it, difficulty is not about your question, your subject matter, or the level of question. Difficulty is simply what people replied to. How it is computed? It is, the formula is given, ideal difficulty level is given like this. In most of the cases, difficulty lies between 0.5 to 0.8. It is okay. The formula calculates item difficulty, which should range between 0.2 to 8. That's okay. And lower the item means more difficult items. Lower the value means more difficult items. So it means, looking from here, which is the difficult item in our case? S3 is the easiest item. Please note down this one particular point. Higher score means easier item. Higher the score means easier item. Lower the difficulty means tough item. So item S1 is actually tough. S3 is the easiest. Easiest item where everybody is of the same opinion, everybody is agrees, can be removed, actually can be dropped. So this is our checking the initial 2-3 things. So I told you initially we will check the 2-3 things. One, we will check about the missing value. Yes, we checked for the missing value here. There is no missing value. Second, we checked on the item statistics. We worked on the item statistics here. It tell me about the mean, standard deviation, correlation, alpha, proportions, 5 things. Third, I
Sir,
checked for
one
the,
question.
yes, please.
Sir, when there was no missing value, then why this NA came?
Where is any?
Then proportion, sir.
That's for
Zero is,
item difficulty.
No,
Uh-huh.
sir. In the result only.
okay. I checked sum is NA. NA means, is there any one in the data set, in the file, is there any, like this is the DF, in this file, is there any missing frequency here? This is one
Not
thing.
this NA, sir. Not
No,
this
no, no.
NA,
I'm
sir.
talking about this NA. I'm talking about missing frequency.
Okay.
NA here means, in the file, is there any cell where there is no data? That is NA. What
Sir, can
we
you
are
go back
talking
to the
about is second.
previous, can you go back to the previous where
This
you talked
NA
about the
means,
difficulty
this
level?
NA
Yeah, I
means,
think she's asking for this
Nobody
one.
opted
Yeah.
for
no,
it.
it's not checking. Is NA in Excel or SPSS always checks in the data set. In the data set, it means for the statement number 5, the people replied to item 1, 2, 3, but there was no missing frequency. This is a conceptual part. Why 4 is not there? That's a conceptual, not technical. Pooja? In
Sir,
statement
मुझे समझ
number,
नहीं आ रहा.
Sir, may I?
नहीं,
please.
इसमें क्या किया हुआ है? The only thing is what sir is talking about. If you look at this particular table, out of the respondents, those who are given on a scale of 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means for item number 5, there is nobody who has given us no respondent on 4.
अच्छा, 4,
That's why it is an
4.
NA.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
4 is not given
मतलब
by
सबने
anyone.
दिया है,
Okay.
हाँ 1,
Got
2
it.
and 3 किया, but 4 किसी ने भी नहीं दिया, not even a single person.
रिस्पॉन्स सबने
नहीं,
दिया
but
है
sir, फिर
मगर
decimal में क्यों
हाईएस्ट
आया,
का
sir?
रिस्पॉन्स
Sir, पर फिर decimal में क्यों आया? Why it is not an absolute number?
कहाँ
If
है
that is
decimal?
the interpretation of that, then
proportion है
nobody is given this.
proportion
So
है
why
it's
it is
proportion
0.35?
It is in
And
percentage.
it is in
not absolute.
percentage it's a
जो सर
proportion
ने Excel में दिखाया था, that was absolute number.
okay.
Here the table gives in, हाँ ये देखिए, this is absolute number जिसमें 0 है.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
ये proportion आ गया, ये वाला 0 के में से.
हाँ ये 0 आ गया, correct. And that's
Got it.
represented as NA.
Portion. चलें आगे. आपके नोट्स एक बार चेक करें. 3
जी
चीजें
सर.
हम देख थी. फर्स्ट, मिसिंग वैल्यू चेक कर ली. इज एन एसपीएसएस में चेक कर लो, कोई इशू नहीं. सेकंड है आइटम स्टैटिस्टिक्स, एक्सेल में चेक कर लो, या यहाँ पे बहुत ही इजी है, 1 लाइन है आइटम स्टैट्स, इससे सारा आ जाता है. थर्ड, वी चेक्ड ऑन डायमेंशनलिटी. तो मैंने यहाँ पे चेक किया fa.parallel. एक दूसरी फाइल में चेक करेंगे व्हेन देयर विल बी मोर देन 1. अगर मैं मिक्स करूं ना, 3-4 हो, 25 आइटम है, तो ये बता देगा आपके 3 फैक्टर हैं और उतने फैक्टर एक्सट्रैक्ट करने चाहिए. जैसे अगर मैं यहाँ पे कहूँ 2 फैक्टर है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ओब्लिमिन, ये रन किया, हम रन करेंगे तब ये ऐसे दिखाएगा कि फर्स्ट के अंदर ये वाले आइटम आने चाहिए, सेकंड में ये आइटम आने चाहिए, फिर ऐसा मुझे दिखाना होगा यहाँ पे। ये काम तब करेंगे इफ वी फाइंड आउट दैट देयर आर 2 फैक्टर्स। अभी तो एक ही रिकमेंड किया है तो इसकी तो कोई जरूरत है नहीं 2 बनाने की। Had it been there are the 2 factors, then we will go for this line where we will extract from this, we will find out okay which item should go in the factor 1, which item should go into the factor number 2. As
सर
of
ये
now,
पीएफ से कर रहा है?
sorry, ये PF से
ये
कर रहा है,
हाँ ठीक।
ये PF से कर रहा है। So it is telling me number of factors are 2, DF का, तो इसने तो यही बता दिया। यहाँ कैसे बता दिया इसने? So my this is head of the DF. Now fa dot parallel, check the result. It is telling here itself. देखा वो प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी, हम करेंगे ना। Now it's a thing is just check this out. It is recommending me number of factor 1 and number of component 1. ये 1 ही बता रहा है, ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं है। अगर कहीं होगा हम देख लेंगे इसे। सो 3 हो गए, मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी चेक कर ली, आइटम स्टैटिस्टिक चेक कर लिया, डायमेंशनलिटी चेक कर ली, और मॉडल में हमेशा आई विल वर्क ऑन द मॉडल ग्रेडेड। सो अब हम चलते हैं यहाँ पे मेन के ऊपर। यहां से हमारा IRT शुरू होता है।